Good morning, trading family. Kris here with the Mindbloome Exchange, and we are looking at XYO over the US dollar on Coinbase. We had a couple people asking us, saying, hey, can you look at this analysis? Can you look at this coin? Tell us what you think. And that is what we are doing. Overall, we did come from a high at 5 cents, and we dropped all the way down to less than a cent. So let's see if we can make this rally back up and moving forward. First, first things first, we're going to drop in some projections, and we are using the monthly time frame. We're just putting in a couple levels here at the moment in time, just to sort of give us an idea on what levels can this market go to moving forward. We're just going to do one more level here, which is like a nice round level at 10 cents, which makes sense to me. But let's just be, I guess, a little bit more optimistic in a perfect world. And let's say everything goes right. What the highest that this can get up to is 16 cents. So an 8x return on your money if all the numbers add up and if the market runs in your favor. Now, the next thing that we'll do is do a Fibonacci projection. And then we will jump into the weekly time frame. Next, we've sort of spotted out our retracement, which we did on the monthly. And what we'll be doing now is throwing in a pitchfork to solidify what is going on. However, that pitchfork does not work. As you can see, our market is right here and our fork is right here. So this fork is no good. So what do? Well, we go a little bit more local and we try to find a more localized level or localized numbers or areas to look at our fork from. This is a nice level here. I don't mind that right now at this moment in time, but you know what? We could even, if we're really being simple-minded about this, we could probably even draw it to here. That makes more sense to me. Overall, now we have a good frame for our market. Now we'll jump into the daily and figure out what's going on. Currently right now, we have a massive resistance at 27 cents, so 0.027. And we do see a drive going up to this level here. The question is, will we retrace and go back down to the 20 cents or 2 cents marker, or are we going to drive up to the 3.3 cent marker? Let's figure out some levels here, and then we can sort of get a good gauge on what is going on. Now, we'll do the same thing like we did before. We already drew in our Fibonacci projections. We'll just do a couple more here just to validate what we're thinking in the bigger time frame. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was thinking we're going to get to the median. And we'll do one more for good measure. And you know what? Why not do an exaggerated one for the extreme circumstance moving up overall. Perfect. So now we delve deeper into this marketplace currently, and we are going to jump to the 4-hour. The reason why we jump to the 4-hour is that we'll have a better gauge of the market, and I want to give you as much value as I possibly can in the time frame possible, in the 10 minutes or less that I can do so. And currently right now how this is looking right now. Okay, so I have a good read on the market right now. Currently, we break this level here at 2.5 cents. We'll go to 0.26 cents, and then we can even draw up even higher to 2.9 cents. If that doesn't hold, we can draw up to the 3 cent marker. 3.3 cent marker makes sense for me. Makes sense for cents, right? And overall, this level here, let me reverse it. This level right here is a important level on price action. So we'll label that, I don't know, purple. And we'll label that purple. And if we break down here, then the next level that I could, we could foresee going down to is, like I said, 1.7 cents. Worst case scenario, you go 1.5 cents or back into wholehearted support right here, which is at 1.4 cents. So that's what I'm currently seeing at this moment in time. We're sort of still stuck a little bit. Are we going to break these highs at 2.4 cents and drive up to 2.7 to 2.9 to 3.3 cents, or are we going to correct down to the 1.8, 1.6, even 1.3 marker? That is my analysis currently right now. This is a big key play right there, as well as, let me reverse it as such. These two levels here are very important in deciding higher high, or are we going to make a lower low and start transitioning down to make a bearish pattern or bearish analysis for the short term. Let me know what you think. Like, share, comment, boost if you found this analysis helpful. As well, this was XYO over the US dollar using Coinbase as the data feed. Take care. Have a fantastic day. From my trading desk to yours, and I'll see you in the next one.